it's Hannah, and I'm now currently at the Flor De Manila press conference, and I'm inviting you guys to please watch this event here in SM Araneta City.
Hi, this is Patricia Javier. I'd like to invite everybody sa La Flor de Manila. Magsama-sama po tayo this coming May 30 po dito po sa Araneta Center sa SM. At marami po kaming mga Noble Queens at Aqua Queen na makikita nyo rin po dito. At mga iba pa pong mga models at mga artista na makakasama namin. Kaya makita-kita po tayo May 30, 2 p.m. Dito lang po sa SM Araneta Center.
And as everyone said, it's really a privilege, and I'm very happy to be invited to this event because it's for a cause, and also knowing that it's also a way to preserve our heritage and culture now. Thank you.
Hi, hello to the listeners and viewers of Wonderful World. This is Nathan De Leon, co-founder of the Philippine Heritage Society and the brainchild of the Flor De Manila, which is the Grand Flores de Mayo. It will be held here in Araneta City with SM Araneta City on May 30. Please come and watch. Ayun, we have artists na will be joining us. Ayun. So please follow our page. Our page is Flor De Manila. And then for further details, ayun. So that will be on Saturday. See you!
Iniimbitahan kayong lahat ng Wonderful World sa La Flor de Manila sa May 30th. Dito lang yan sa SM Araneta City.